Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here, and guess what? Right behind me we have the latest revamp building right here in CBD, guys, the Aegis building, and we're gonna show you guys what was done inside. And guys, Marshalltown is becoming a suburb now with so many developments going on. I have to do a video about them. Guys, this place is becoming amazing. Again, guys, stay tuned because once again this video is going to blow your mind. Yeah, we're gonna do it now inside. Look at this. I just want to mention, guys, look at this. They have an art gallery. An art gallery, guys. A few years ago, I never imagined that this would be possible. Look at this. My God. So there is a coffee shop, guys. Troy's Coffee. Don't forget. How's it, man? How are you? Very good. I already have my coffee, but I just want to showcase what you guys. Oh, you might look at it. Look at it. Don't worry. It's very, very nice. Very nice indeed. Huh?
I like you.
Thanks,
Thank
man.
you,
Appreciate it.
man.
Look at that.
Thank you, man.
Can I open? I think that was already. No, it's not open. But guys, look at this. Just to give you an idea. So this is really, really nice. So it's called Asibense Art Gallery. Okay, let's go in. Sure. Literally heritage building, guys. This is really amazing. Oh wow. Good to see this today. How's it, man? How are you? Very good. Okay guys, this is where you guys need to go to get your apartment. That's my brother there, Lufefe, and my sister Ashley, so they are the people you need to communicate with in order to get your apartment. Yeah, you can go more. So guys, those are the prices you guys can expect.
So,
Brother, look at this. We just can chill out outside. This is so cool. Okay guys, so there are some stores here. So come and open your business here. So I'm so happy to see this. Yo, Marshalltown is evolving. Right here next to the Rent Club, guys. Look at this, people just enjoying. Guys, this is becoming a suburb. But I'm gonna show you guys now the gallery.
Yeah, please. Can you not do this here? Eh?
Please, guys, we need to keep it like clean.
No, Mama. Actually, you can't do it right in front of our.
Good, I'm glad you're doing that. People need to know that. Okay, let's see it. So guys, this is the gallery. And keep it in mind that the gallery also has a downstairs level. That is actually so cool. You guys are very nice. These artists know they really talented. Our people are amazing. They are so talented. Okay, let me just go downstairs. Because if I have to show you guys everything, I need to show you guys everything. Oh wow. Okay, so they didn't do this yet. And remember guys, this is still a project ongoing. The true official launch will be in September. But I am amazed by this. Okay guys, let's do now upstairs. Let's do upstairs. Let's try the elevators. Look at this. This is so cool, guys. They just maintain all the properties, everything that made this building so amazing. They also took care of the ceilings. Look at this. I'm so looking for. Go for it. There you go, guys. Look at this brand new elevators. Oh yeah. We're going to see something. Okay, let's see this. Okay, guys. So they have 10 floors, and they have how many units actually?
We have 14 units per floor.
14.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
14 units per floor. This is a 2-bedroom apartment.
Oh yeah. Look. Look at this. Oh my word! I'm so proud to see this.
It comes unfinished. This is just our show units.
Can we put just the lights on?
So we
Let's put the lights on.
an empty unit after this so that you can see.
Oh wow. And here on the loo, can we just, so I can show like our people here on camera?
Yes.
Or just, yeah, there you go. Thank you so much, Ashley. Appreciate it. Guys, this is unbelievable. My dream of seeing Marshalltown going forward is happening. So look at this amazing kitchen with the view to outside, guys. Sure, what's this like? I didn't have any hope for this building. I was dying for someone to. When I saw that Redcon actually took the guts to do something like this, and
So you have like the before images.
I need to get the photos to show people in this video the how the building used to look like. Jesus, guys, this is impressive. And of course, you guys have a big room also here. There you go. All right, so this is one bedroom apart. And how much is it?
This is 6,500.
6,500. And the previous one?
The previous one was 8,000.
8,000. Sure, that's huge. This is, sorry guys, this is a very privileged view. Specifically from this room. Yo, look at this. Yeah, we just need to put the lights on. Look, it's like a bachelor's almost. That's a funny place here on the corner. Hey.
Wait until you see it.
Very nice. And look at that, look at that, look at that. I want to show you guys that things are working. You see? Bam! If you guys don't know overseas, this is how we put electricity in South Africa. So you see these electricity meters, you can buy it directly on any gas station or on your bank account, whatever. They give you a code, you put the code basically here, and you got the electricity, guys. That's how it works. Guys, if you don't have an electricity meter like this, guys, I can tell you horror stories of what people went through, because your bill will go to thousands and thousands of dollars. So if you come into South Africa, or if you live in South Africa, you need to get an electricity meter. I just want to mention, look at this. These guys did a proper job. Everything works.
Yeah.
Now we're going up. Guys, 11th floor, they actually did a clubhouse. A clubhouse, a clubhouse. Look at the clubhouse.
Oh, yes.
Yo. Hey, Mandel, great job, brother. You definitely nailed it. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yo.
So it takes you all the way this side. I'll show you that other side also.
You guys have a jacuzzi?
Hold on. Come see them.
Wait, I'm excited. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. This needs to be shown. People need to know that this is like, they got a jacuzzi, bro. Look at this.
Oh my God.
I am so annoyed because I didn't know that this. You see, I don't come to the CBD in 2 months. The stuff is going down. Yo, I remember this place when I was here. Bro, you need to see the difference on the other videos. Jesus Christ, wow. I just want to mention, look at that. There is a tree growing there. Is it a Oh my word.
You should see this at night.
Oh my god, I need to come to Marshalltown at night. Yes. Look at this, what a view. We need to privatize the inner city, guys, literally. We only go forward with private investment. The only guys with a plan, I'm telling you. You guys can see there also, there is others African penthouses. Need to give them a call so we can also do it. Sure. Bro, this is like, wow. And the Ren Club, of course. I think the jacuzzi is on this side. I think, look at this. This is beautiful. Let me just go to the other side. Yo, I'm so happy what Redcon did here, man. Yo, man. Guys, I'm telling the good news. This is great news. This is... Let me just go here. No, wait. Oh my word. So, wait. Huh? Okay. Oh, so you can... It's like a mini jacuzzi. You guys can actually sit... Oh, wow, guys. I'm telling you, you getting your money worth here. Look at this. This... A sauna, guys. This is a sauna. That is a sauna, bro. Oh my word, that is a sauna. That is a sauna. Mendel. This is crazy, bro. A sauna, they have a sauna.
Ice bath or a cold plunge.
Wait, is that an ice bath?
There's a cold plunge, yeah. That one is a sauna and a cold
My
plunge, yeah.
God, I respect what you guys did here. Yo, look at this. Guys, please, if you come and reside on this building, take good care of the infrastructure. Don't leave stuff around. Respect. I'm telling you, what they did here, respect. Really, respect, guys. This is beautiful. I am mind blown by this. Guys, you see that? That's where the deeds office is. Go and check that short that I just did. Yo, guys, this is beautiful. The view, man, the view is $1 million. Guys, this is the only building in CBD with the sauna, with the ice bath, and also with the jacuzzi. Guys, please, if you come and live here, you guys are paying your money's worth. Oh, wow. And take good care of this place. Please, respect. Because the guys who behind this, they got my... I'm actually still trying to process all this, guys. This is really incredible. Look at that, they are fixing the roads. So look at that, guys. Look at that. Who is living there? Look at that. Look at the lucky person with that exclusive penthouse right there. Oh wow. You see, guys, I'm very there is something fishy here. For all the good, for very, very good. Not fishy in a bad way, in a good way. Okay, all right. So great news. To access where we are at the moment, guys, you need to book, and there's gonna be cameras. And if you litter, we're gonna start fining. And another thing that I want to do in the city is I want to know what's going to be done regarding the littering laws. If people find out littering, they're going to pay. What's going to happen? Guys, we need to start changing the culture. We need to. Okay, guys, let's see the laundry now. Okay, guys, so the laundry is on the 11th floor. Okay, good. Wi-Fi and all that's very important because the students... Wi-Fi also. Okay, good. Yo, man, this place come a long way. They broke a lot of stuff because a lot of stuff was not like this. This was all covered, you know what I mean? CBD is starting to be civilized. Oh my word, I'm so happy. Privatize the CBD because private investors have a plan for the CBD. I just want to say, look at this sidewalk, guys. It's clean, there is no hawkers. And Ashley actually told the other guys to leave out. You guys can sit down, you guys can have a coffee. You guys can admire one of the newest art galleries. This was a must here. I don't know about you guys, but simple things like this makes my dream, makes my heart pop with excitement. Look at this, beautiful paving, right here. Private. Guys, this is what I always say. Let's privatize the inner city. Let's bring more private developers in so we can make sure that we make stuff like this be a normal thing of every day here in CBD, guys. Because without things like this, our CBD is not going forward, okay? And it's clear to me that the authorities or powers that be are not going to do anything if the private sector doesn't do it themselves.
Hi, my name is Balesa and I live at Aegis building. I chose to stay here because of the aesthetic and also the amenities that are in the building as well.
Guys, look, the street is alive. Guys, imagine having this in CBD right here. Guys, let's enjoy our first nata in the CBD with chairs outside in the pavement, guys. This is a dream come true. Again, guys, make sure you share, subscribe, and destroy that like button, and I will see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.